Hello everyone, welcome back to Mercy Video Styles channel. For those of you that new here, my name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area. Guys, it's Valentines, so I wanted to bring you a great content how to decorate your dining area. Guys, if you need idea, you can use it for Mother's Day, spring, and Easter. Guys, it's a timeless decor, guys. And I really love how everything turns out. If you want to see how everything turns out, make sure to watch the video till the end. Alright guys, I'm using my perfect glass to clean my table. And guys, this table, I really love it, and I get this table from Facebook Marketplace. Yes. So guys, if you're on a tight budget and you need your home to look luxurious, you don't want to spend too much money, this one can be a good option, and buy some things in second hands. And this one was very nice for me. I got the chargers from Mat and the vase from Valentines, the flowers from Abilabi, and some of them from Michael's. It's a mixed flowers. Alright guys, and the plates, oh my goodness, I love them. They're so beautiful. I have them for a super long time guys, and I always save them for like Mother's Day occasion or Valentine's, because they're so pretty. And today I wanted to use almost the full set, and I have a couple pieces, but I'm not using them. But today, and it's so nice to just decorate my home like this. You know, guys, it's Valentine's. So if you're doing it for two people, you don't have to add so many plates. But me, I love to decorate like that for my family. I'm going to leave the link of everything I can find in the description box down below, guys. If anything interests you, feel free to check them out. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. And for all of you that already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much, and I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. I really love to keep everything organized, and not only and make the house very nice, and you know where everything is, and it's super good, super convenient guys. So that's a great way to keep your home well organized like that. You know where everything is, save you time and energy. I fold my napkin very short because the soup bowl or the saucer, it's a bit smaller than the usual size, and guys, like that it will fit nicely on top of it. That's the look I was going for. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Even if you don't like it, I still want to hear from you.
Shine, unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time,
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. And don't forget to come back because I have a kitchen makeover coming up. I would love you to see it. Okay guys, I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.